Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss a new heterocyclic compound called as an pyrimidine. As figure suggests, pyrimidine it is a 6-member ring which contains an 2 nitrogen atom as an heteroatom. The molecular formula of pyrimidine is a C4H4N2. The molecular weight is an 80. The systemic name of pyrimidine is a 1,3-diazine because in pyrimidine it is a 6-member ring. That's why it contains a suffix such as an ione. It contains a 2 heteroatom such as a nitrogen. For nitrogen atom we are using a prefix such as an aza, and it present in twice. That's why we are using a prefix such as an di. That's why the systemic name of pyrimidine is a 1,3-diazine. That particularly pyrimidine undergoes into the sp2 hybridization. That compound is unplanar in nature. The pyrimidine is also found in an uracil, thiamine, cytosine, vitamin and barbituric acid. Now we'll see the various method for synthesis of an pyrimidine. In that first method from malonic ester. That method is also called as an Gabriel method for synthesis of an pyrimidine. In that method, when malonic ester is reacted with urea in the presence of sodium ethoxide, there is a loss of correspondingly 2 ethanol molecules that takes place and compound is converted to the pyrimidine. The pyrimidine compound undergoes into the stereoisomeric changes, result formation of 2,4,6 trihydroxypyrimidine takes place. 2,4,6 trihydroxypyrimidine when reacted with an phosphorus oxychloride result formation of 2,4,6 trichloropyrimidine takes place. When 2,4,6 pyrimidine when 2,4,6 trichloropyrimidine when reacted with a zinc, there is a result formation of an pyrimidine takes place. The second method for synthesis of an pyrimidine is synthesis of pyrimidine from 2,4 dichloropyrimidine. When 2,4 dichloropyrimidine is reduced in the presence of palladium poisonized with carbon, result formation of an pyrimidine takes place with loss of 2 hydrochloride molecule takes place. The third method for synthesis of an pyrimidine is from formamide. When formamide is reacted with 1,1,3,3 tetraethoxypropane in the presence of aluminum trioxide, when that compound is heated at 200 degrees Celsius, there is a result formation of correspondingly pyrimidine takes place. Likewise, fourth method for synthesis of an pyrimidine is from ethyl carbonocyanidate. When ethyl carbonocyanidate when reacted with an correspondingly ethanimidiamide in the presence of sodium methoxide and methanol, result formation of 2-methyl-4-pyrimidone takes place. That is all about the various synthetic method of a pyrimidine. Now let's see the various physical property of an pyrimidine. The pyrimidine is a white crystalline powder which are having a melting point 22 degrees Celsius, which is a weakly basic in nature. It is miscibilized in water and other organic solvent. The density is 1.016. These are the physical property of a pyrimidine. Now we see the various chemical properties or chemical reaction of an pyrimidine. As we have seen in the physical property, the pyrimidine are weakly basic in nature. That's why when pyrimidine are reacted with an HCl, there is the formation of an unstable component takes place. Second, the nucleophilic substitution reaction of an pyrimidine. Again, the pyrimidine like pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is also undergoes into the nucleophilic substitution reaction easily as compared to the electrophilic substitution reaction. For a nucleophilic substitution, that nucleophilic substitution in pyrimidine is occur at the second position. Let's see the various nucleophilic substitution reaction of an pyrimidine. When pyrimidine is reacted with an soda amide, that is a NaNH2, result formation of an 2-amino pyrimidine takes place. When pyrimidine is reacted with an base such as an potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, result formation of 2-hydroxypyrimidine takes place. Likewise, when pyrimidine is reacted with an methyl magnesium chloride, there is a result of formation of 2-methylpyrimidine takes place. The fourth nucleophilic substitution reaction of an pyrimidine is when pyrimidine is reacted with an N-butyl lithium, there is a result of formation of 2-butyl pyrimidine takes place. These are the nucleophilic substitution reaction of an pyrimidine. As we have discussed above, the nucleophilic substitution reaction of in pyrimidine are take place at the second position. If the second position of an pyrimidine is blocked, then the nucleophilic substitution reaction is carried out at the fourth or sixth position. That's all about the particularly a nucleophilic substitution reaction of an correspondingly pyrimidine. Now we'll see the various electrophilic substitution reaction. To carry out an electrophilic substitution reaction of a pyrimidine, we have to require a drastic condition. When pyrimidine is reacted with a nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst, there is a result of 5-nitropyrimidine takes place. That reaction is also called as a nitration reaction of a pyrimidine Second electrophilic substitution reaction of pyrimidine is pyrimidine when reacted with an fuming sulfuric acid. There is a formation of pyrimidine 5-sulfonic acid takes place. That is also called as a sulfonation reaction of pyrimidine. When pyrimidine is reacted with an bromine, result formation of 5-bromo-pyrimidine takes place. That is also called as an halogenation reaction of an pyrimidine. When pyrimidine is reacted with an acetyl chloride, there is a formation in the presence of aluminum trichloride as a catalyst. There is a result formation of 5-acyl pyrimidine takes place. That is called as an Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction of an pyrimidine. Next reaction of pyrimidine is when pyrimidine is oxidized in the presence of metachloroperoxybenzoic acid, that is also called as an MCPBA. It forms an unstable compound such as an pyrimidine N oxide. Pyrimidine N oxide takes place. That is all about the various chemical reaction of a pyrimidine. Now we'll see the various medicinal uses of pyrimidine. When pyrimidine is also found as a basic ring in a barbiturate compound, in antibacterial agents such as sulfadiazine, it also found as a basic ring in various antimalarial drugs such as pyrimethamine, trimethoprim. It is also present as an basic ring in an antiviral agent such as zidovudine. Thank you.